Haha, the West is all about that hands-off free market, right? Well, get ready for a few more capitalist shocks, and you'll see everyone quiet down. Yesterday, many netizens were furious as brokerage firms like Jiaxin Wealth Management and Fidelity crashed during the U.S. stock market plunge. Some users blasted, "This is a crime against retail investors." All users couldn't access their accounts, but institutions could still trade. Remember when GameStop banned retail buyers? It's only been 3 years, and American investors seem to have forgotten already. When Buffett sold Apple, shouldn't they have expected this? People keep saying how awesome he is. But did they ever think about how he's always so good at selling out right on time? Is Apple's performance faltering? Far from it. In fact, Apple's latest financial report reveals that the past 6 consecutive quarters of revenue and profit have exceeded expectations. However, Warren Buffett makes an unexpected move recently. Berkshire Hathaway sold 389 million shares of Apple, slashing its stake by a whopping 49.3%. Buffett's decision to cut Apple holdings isn't entirely new. In the first quarter, Buffett had already reduced his stake in Apple by 13%, which attracted significant attention. At Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder meeting in May, Buffett mentioned that if the American government increases and taxes capital gains to offset rising deficits, selling some Apple shares could be a good thing for shareholders of Berkshire Hathaway. However, in the second quarter, Buffett made another big move by cutting Apple holdings in half, selling over $70 billion. This is more than just tax considerations. Analysts suggest that besides energy stocks, Buffett is generally reducing other holdings, like U.S. banks. Recently, it is assumed that Buffett believes it's not just Apple's stock price that has temporarily peaked, but the entire U.S. stock market, and he is going to build up cash reserves through selling at high levels. There's Pelosi, who makes moves more bodice than the stock god. With her precision escape and democratic withdrawal, leaving finance folks speechless. It's like a visible giant hand pulling the strings itself. Hold on, retail investors. Let the capitalists go first. This is the biggest joke, the West and its so-called hands-off free market.